Okay, in this situation, we have a 3-gang box with 3 separate single poles. We'll be using a Deako 3-gang backplate. As you can see, the grounds are already connected and the neutral is already pigtailed. In this scenario, I'm going to utilize the empty neutral ports here to daisy chain the neutrals across the backplate, just to simplify the install a little bit. So I'll start with the neutral and get that connected. Now again, because of my jumpers that go from each switch, all 3 of these switches now have a neutral connection. Once that's done, I'll start on the far left with the single pole. I'll identify my hot conductor and plug that into the hot port. Next, I'll go to my load, find the switch leg, plug it into the load connection. And that's it. Moving on to my next switch, identify the hot. And then I'll go to my switch leg or load and plug that into its port. And last switch, you guessed it, I'll do the same thing. Identify my hot, plug it into the hot port, and move on to my switch leg. All right, once those are all plugged in, we roll this, push the wires into the box. We'll finish that off with a 3-gang screwless faceplate. If you have any other questions on this, don't hesitate to reach out to Deako support team. You can find them at support@deako.com.